Hello everyone. Today we are going to cover an important concept, that is how to find the phase and phase difference between any two waves. So let's get started. In this video, I consider and I believe that you are familiar with the basic concept of phase. But if you don't know the fundamental of phase, then you should visit my previous videos in order to get familiar with the phase. I will provide the link in the description box so that you can visit and know about what is phase, how to find the phase in a wave. So consider the following two waves. This is plus sine wave and plus cos wave. If you don't know what is cos wave and what is sine wave, this is also described in that video that I'm going to provide the link in the description box so that you can visit and find that what is plus cos wave, what is plus sine wave. So however, I'm here in this video, I'm considering that you are familiar with the basic or the fundamental of waves and types of wave and phase difference. So here you can see that this is wave 1 and this is wave 2. First thing, I'm going to find the phase difference between these two waves. You can see that this is plus sine wave and this is plus cos wave. So at 0 degrees, the magnitude of sine wave is plus 1, sorry, is plus 0 because it is taking start from 0. And at 0 degree, I mean at the same angle, the plus cos wave is plus 1. So here, if you want to find the phase difference, then we are to choose the same point on both the waves, i.e. the first increasing point on both the waves I have choose. You can also choose the first decreasing point on both the waves. Then you are to find the phase difference. So by choosing the first increasing point on both the waves, that is the first increasing point or the first peak of the sine wave is the point, that is point P, and the first peak of the cos wave is point Q. So the value of plus sine wave is plus 1 at an angle of 90 degrees, but on contrary to that of sine wave, which is cos wave, you can see that the first peak or the first plus 1 of cos wave is at 0 degree. So here you can find the phase difference, that is 90 degrees minus 0 degrees. So the phase difference become 90 degrees. Now we are switching to an important concept, that is lagging and leading. Here you can see that the value that is taken by the cos wave is in advance, while the value that is being taken by the sine wave is retreat a bit, because it is plus 1 at 0 degree and it is plus 1 at 90 degrees, so it is a delayed signal. So the sine wave is delayed signal, so therefore we refer to the sine wave as a lagging signal. So here we say that the sine lag caused by 90, or we can also say just like this, the cos lead sine by 90. These two are basically same statement, but the only difference is that the sine wave is lagging and the cos wave is leading the sine wave. So this is the basic difference between these two type of waves. Let's take in another example. But first, let me make the clear distinction between these two. Here, wave 1 lag, wave 2 by an angle of 90 degrees, or wave 2 lead wave 1 by an angle of 90 degrees. So these two are basically same statement. Now let's move to the next example. So here in this example you can see that there is minus sine wave and plus cos signal. So if you want to find the phase difference between these two and want to find out that which wave is leading and which wave is lagging, so you are to do just like, first you need to find the phase difference. This is 90 degrees 180 degrees and 270 degrees. I am finding the phase difference while choosing a point that is +1 at the first increasing point, at the first peak of the wave 1. So say this is wave 1 and this is wave 2. Basically this is minus sine wave and this is plus cos wave. I repeat this, if you don't know that what is plus cos wave and what is minus sine wave, then I will provide the link in the description box so that you can visit in order to get familiar with the concept of minus sine wave and plus cos wave, because these are two different type of waves. So here I choose the first peak of wave 1 and first peak of wave 2. So you can see that the first peak of the wave 1 is at 90 degrees, 180 degrees and 270 degrees. So the first peak of the wave 1 is at 270 degrees and the first peak of the wave 2, that is plus cos wave, is at 0 degrees. This is 0 degrees, which is at origin. So here we need to find the phase difference, just like 270 degrees minus this is 0 degrees. That will become 270 degrees. So here now the value of +1 is totally delayed in comparison to the value of +1 taken by wave 2 at 0 degrees. So here you can see that at 0 degrees the cos wave have taken the value of +1, air angle is 0 degrees, and the same value that is taken by the wave 1 is at an angle of 270 degrees. So clearly we can see that this is delayed signal and this is an advanced signal. So here we again made the statement just like wave 1 lag wave 2 by an angle of 270 degrees. Or we can also say just like wave 2 lead wave 1 by 270 degrees. So here is a task for you, that you are to find out the phase difference and then you are to show that which wave is leading and which wave is lagging, and you have to answer in the comment section. Now just pause the video for a small moment and find the following term, that is two type of waves are given to you, that is wave 1 and wave 2, and you have to find the phase difference between these two waves, and secondly you have to find which one or which wave is leading, and the third you are to find or recognize the type of wave. Thank you so much.